Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to adjust inventory quantities in QuickBooks Enterprise. The first thing I want you to do is just open up QuickBooks Enterprise and then just come here at the top. I want you to click on inventory and then you should see right here the option, okay, to go ahead and adjust quantity or a value in hand. Okay, I want you to click on this. And then you need to choose your adjustment type. So this one is quantity if you're adjusting only the number of items, or you can do quantity and total value if you also need to adjust the total cost or value. Then after that, you choose your adjustment date, of course. You choose your adjustment account, okay? So basically this account records the gain or loss from the adjustment, right? And then, of course, we have the date selected. Then you can choose a inventory site, a reference number, customer, okay, a class. Then you can choose the specific items and the description as well. And you can add a memo and you basically adjust it and you just go ahead and save that, right? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.